Suren, the plant manager for TORSUS. TORSUS are manufacturers of the world's toughest, heavy-duty off-road buses. Our flagship vehicles, the Praetorian, is a 4x4 off-road bus based on an upgraded heavy-duty MAN TGM chassis, designed and engineered to safely transport personnel and equipment across the world's harshest environments.
My name is Carol Brzezinski, and I'm the Pre-Series Center Manager at the MAN plant here in Stara Howica. From our advanced manufacturing facility, we produce reliable, safe, and efficient city buses for use all over the world, including those powered by electric, compressed natural gas, and diesel. We're proud to support TORSUS in the production of their flagship vehicle, the Praetorian. At our plant here in Stara Howica, our team of experts will carefully produce each paint-protected skeleton for the world's most versatile off-road bus. Using similar techniques to how we make our own buses, we use protective gases during the welding process of the Praetorian skeleton before it undergoes cataphoretic painting, then varnishing and finishing with a final coat of paint. All of this ensures that the product is of the highest quality possible.
Since 2017, TORSUS has worked in close collaboration with MAN to develop the world's most capable off-road bus. Now our partnership has grown further thanks to MAN's 300,000 square meter state-of-the-art facility in Stara Howica, Poland. As the center of excellence in bus manufacturing, each TORSUS Praetorian skeleton produced here will be carefully crafted to ensure it meets all our customers' needs, wherever they are in the world.
Our dedication to delivering innovative and high-quality products is reflected in our collaboration with TORSUS. We believe that our expertise and commitment to quality will contribute to the success of the TORSUS Praetorian.